How we doing, guys? Tall guy, long hair?
Yes.
All right. Where's he at?
He went up to room 201.
All right.
Would you like him trespassed?
Yeah, absolutely.
I need one of you to come with me. Yeah. Yes.
Right in my front desk.
Huh?
Shoot on me.
Well, we need to do a little bit. Yeah. Mind you, he was arrested 3 days ago. He had possession of a firearm by a felon. He had a firearm and petty theft. What room's he in?
201.
Okay.
What exactly did
Yeah,
you say?
transpired.
He checked in earlier today. He wanted the cheapest room.
Sure.
So he got a room facing the A1A without a balcony. It's a room straight down there. And,
Here, let's just stay out there. Just
and he,
I'll keep an eye down there.
he seemed weird at checking, but then he just came in and said he was in 201. Where's my balcony? If you don't give it to me, I'm gonna kill you and shoot you right here now.
Did you
Sit the front
Did you
desk.
see a firearm?
I did not,
Okay.
and neither did my
Okay, that
his
makes sense.
damage.
Are you nervous at all up here?
No. I mean, he didn't say to me, like, he said, I'm the front desk guy.
Okay. Let's just come in contact. Trespass though. Okay. Just hang out back up here by the elevator so we can talk to him. We'll be out at room 201 trying to make contact with the male. It's the same male from a trespass today that day shifted. I don't know if you can make the call.
Open the door, man. Open the door. Daytona Beach Shores Police.
He's at the door. I know. I heard him walk back there and he was doing something.
See if you can talk to him. Just tell him we need to talk about changing rooms.
Hey, man, look, we just need to talk to you, okay, about maybe changing rooms or something. You come to the door and just speak with me? We can even talk through the door if you're more comfortable with that.
Can we get them to give us access?
We can.
Since they are doing
Yeah. Tell him the hotel wants him trespassed. If he doesn't come, we're going to open the door.
Daytona Beach Shores Police, come to the door. The hotel wants you trespassed. If you don't come to the door, we're going to make entry.
Can he jump off the balcony from here?
There's no doubt.
Okay.
No balcony. Is there a screen door or anything? No.
Let's back off for a minute and come up with a plan here since you heard some planking and stuff. Let's go figure out what we're going to do to approach. Do you guys have a key to get in if we need to?
Yes.
Okay, let's go down and grab a shield.
What was he doing earlier? He was like on the Dunlop Bridge, I guess, waving his arms around. Was like hitting. He's like real tall,
Yep.
I guess. And so he was like reaching over and hitting calls.
Yep.
And then they trespassed him from Hampton, and he was like being aggressive and asking like auditor questions and stuff. Asking like First Amendment type questions.
Is this who you talked to?
Yes.
Hey, what did he say to you?
Everything under the sun. So
He seems pretty crazy. Do you think he has a firearm?
I did not see the firearm.
Did you check him in?
I did not.
Do you know if he has a car here or anything?
Good question.
He does, but I'm not sure what.
Okay.
Yeah, I did not check him in, but he did get as part of the manager sassy with the person who checked.
Okay.
Does he did Volver talk? Do they not need to put like a vehicle on file for the parking pass?
No. Just we ask if they have a vehicle, and
Okay.
if they do, we give them park.
Anybody else in the room with him?
No.
No? Okay. No.
He came in by himself, stood here and talked to me, and went into his
I could shoot you and
Miles
but then
already
he,
there.
I said, okay.
Trying to squawk.
Went to go get my manager and he came out, told me to leave. I said, no, I'm staying right here.
And then that's when he threatened me and said, you know what, I can take your head, bash it into the ground, into pulp, and that's when my general manager just, that's it.
Okay. Were you afraid he would do any of that?
Being that now I know that he does have a firearm.
How do you know he has a firearm?
Well, he said, so he does have a firearm. So, you know, I mean, I don't know. But, you know, I don't know how crazy he can be or not, because if he was arrested earlier and he's back out, I mean, I don't know how crazy he can be to wait for anybody outside, for myself and the person who was here before.
Sure, sure. And we got a room key?
Yeah.
Okay, let's head on up there. Police department. Hey, sir, come open the door. We're going to open it. Boss man, do you guys got a thing for this, get this hook off of here? You got a thing where we can get that off? The deadbolt.
Yeah, I'll be ready now.
Hey, man, just come to the door. Come talk to me. We just got to get you another room. Ready? Yeah, you tell me when you're ready. Ready? It is not working.
So is it that?
Yeah,
Oh,
there's usually a tool.
I thought you meant it was the deadbolt from
Do
the
they have a tool for it?
It's a hanger, but I
Yeah. You come up here and show me on this, then I'll go do it. Sir, can you open the door? Is there a trick to this? Hey, sir, open the door for me. We're just getting you another room. Sergeant?
Yeah, that's.
Police department! Police department, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up, law enforcement officers.
Come here now.
I got you. I got you. The hotel wants you trespassed.
Okay, would you have a notice?
I don't need one. I'm talking to, keep your hands where I can see them. Keep your hands in the air.
Sure.
Turn around. Get out here.
When am I under arrest?
Tell him to come in here and tell him he's trespassed.
Am I under arrest? What are you gentlemen doing?
We're here on behalf of the hotel. They want you trespassed after your conversation down there.
What was my conversation?
I don't know. They want you trespassed.
Do you have a notice?
I don't need a notice. I talked to the hotel management. They want you out right now.
Legal what you're doing?
Get him to come in here now.
Done yet?
Go get him.
Okay. I think you gentlemen are breaking federal law.
We're not.
You know the U.S. Constitution?
We're not here to talk about the Constitution. We're here to talk about you. You're being
The
trespassed.
Constitution doesn't matter. Don't you operate under the U.S. Constitution?
We're not talking about the
I
Constitution.
am.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't stop. It's the First Amendment of the United States Constitution.
All
I
right.
can say whatever I want.
You got to leave this area. You're being trespassed.
Notice, I think.
Okay. Well, hold on.
Gonna leave?
I need a notice.
You're telling me you're not gonna leave after a
Hold on.
little bit.
Let him come up here.
I'm telling you that I need to see a notice. Do you have a notice?
We don't need one.
It's not pointing that flashlight.
813.
It's not at you.
Get him and come up
You
here.
don't need a
ASAP.
notice of trespass? You just said you were bringing one. Do you have a notice of trespass?
Fort L 10 Central. He for a
You want to
jail.
shoot me with your gun? Toto.
It's not pointed at you.
Toto. You understand that? Please don't touch any of me or my
Hey,
stuff.
come out here for my safety and yours. Come
No,
out here.
do not touch me.
Yeah, come out here. The management
Do not
wants you
touch
trespassed, and I'm not keeping you
I
here
need
because
a
you're not
notice.
cooperating.
Get up now.
Get up. Get up. Put your,
Give
get
me
up.
a
Put your hands
notice.
behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. All right, you're under arrest for resisting. Get Get that. Get that.
Telling
hand.
you to
Get
let
his
go
hand
of
over
me
there.
now.
All right. Get in the ground.
Get on the ground then.
Stop! Where's your notice of trespass? Shut up!
Get up. I got this one.
What I'm asking you is where's your notice of trespass? Did you come in for a notice of trespass?
We're obviously past that, buddy.
How are we past that?
Roll on your stomach now.
How are we
Roll on your
past
stomach
that?
now.
Get
I'm
that
not
hand.
going to tell you again.
Hey,
Get on your stomach now.
How are
Get
you?
on your stomach.
What are you doing? You're trespass, sir. Okay, I need a notice.
It's okay. It's okay. Relax.
I need a notice of trespass.
He just told you that.
Okay, where's the notice?
Get up now.
Put your hands by your back.
Where is the notice? You're gonna end this right now.
Word out 10 cents.
Oh yeah, how are we gonna do that?
Give him your arm.
I am
Give him your
Joe,
arm.
and I'm asking you to get
Give
off
him
of
your
me.
arm.
I'm good.
Seth, just keep his right side.
You're trespass of notice. Where's the notice? Listen, gentlemen, where's the
Give
notice?
him your arm.
Where is your notice of trespass?
You're gonna get
about
tased
to
if you
get it,
don't
buddy.
give him your arm.
You're about to get it.
For what?
Give him your arm. Okay, if you get this one, I got this one here. Who's got the other one?
I got it.
Okay,
Both of you
gentlemen,
get that behind his back.
what I'm asking you is where is your notice of trespass?
If you do not comply, I'm gonna break it.
Help him. Help him.
If you do not
Just grab his
comply, I'm
arm.
gonna
Help
break
him.
your shoulder.
I don't think so.
Yeah? You wanna
Okay.
try me?
I don't think you're gonna do it. There's your notice of trespass. Amy, what's going on? You gonna ask this gentleman to stop? It's Amy Coney Barrett, Chief Justice
good
of the
there?
United States of America.
Hold this with both your arms.
Good, I got it.
Bring that up here.
You need to stop now.
Yep. Keep pulling.
Rule, would you ask?
Help him. Help him.
I'll cuff him. Stop resisting.
Cuff him. Cuff him. He's got it. He's got it. Okay. Hold on. Stop me. Grab my hat.
You knocked off my hat, man.
Go gather your belongings. We're heading there now.
You help me out?
Yeah.
If you fight, I will put you on your face. You understand?
Yeah, what I asked you is where's the notice of trespass?
I don't
Take him
care.
outside.
Can I have my
If
phone?
you fight, you will end up on your face.
Can I have my phone?
No.
What are you here for?
You're being trespassed.
Okay, don't make it a notice.
No.
No notice. All right. Do I get a notice?
No, how many times we gotta tell you?
Where are you? Are you okay? No, I'm asking you. Any drugs or alcohol today? I'm asking you. So you're just an ass for no reason.
All right.
Relax. If you want to put you in the trespass. Because you're acting like this. Like what? Relax your mind. Relax your mind. We'll be back up in a minute. What am I acting like? Well, I'm an idiot. Okay. All you had to do was come to the door. We would have got you another room. Here you go. Oh, you came to give me another room? No, now. Why are you that option has been exhausted. Yep, you're gonna go. No, we start on cell. We get arrested for trespass after warrant. Stop pushing back against me and walk. What? Walk forward. Buddy, stop it. Wait. I have to plant him on his ass. Lean up and tell him. Okay. He's gonna search you. All right. Do you have anything on you that's gonna stick, stab, or poke me? I don't believe. Right to know the suspect. Buddy, why is that what you're concerned with?
Because you have to have one, you trespass, and then you'll leave the property and it'll come back. That's the law. What are you talking about? Oh, I'm asking.
Oh,
What are the celebration now? Get down to the clock.
I'm trying to get belt off.
Yeah. So I don't get a nerve.
You're gonna get a notice, buddy.
Four adult sector. If we haven't already, can you forward channel, please?
I'm asking you to stop, please.
No, we asked you to behave, and you didn't want to do that.
Stop that.
We got a notice of trespass. This is ridiculous. Kill him. What are we doing?
Stand him up. Just,
Okay.
I say check the waistband.
Yeah.
Whatever's making you act like this.
He's got a body here too.
Why are
Yep.
you pulling me?
We're getting in the back of the car.
Let's go.
Yep. We'll print you. Oh, we'll print.
Get up. Get up.
I have heard trespass notice, gentlemen.
Yeah. For what? Trespass after warning existing arrest.
I don't have a notice. It's coming with you.
Get up.
You're acting like a child, man.
What are you talking about, John? You're getting in the car. Please stop. Give me somebody said. Keep going around. I gotta get out of your way. Oh. Stop kicking me!
Sorry.
I want to kick you. That's okay.
That's the only thing I can think of.
Did he hit you?
He kicked me in the balls.
Charge him with that too.
Still, it's how it's going. What's that door?
Thank you, sir.
All right.
He is way stronger than I expected, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. What I know is about it too.